Hi guys, it's Diamond, and today is Saturday, and because in the Monday to Friday, I usually make the customers orders, and usually, but yes, I make the orders in weekend too. As the weekend come in, and I feel more relaxed in my mind, so I just want to spend some time to make some covers to put in my Etsy shop. Yeah, because the Etsy shop there is still empty. There are only 2 or 3 covers there, and I just want to have some time to make the right products there too. So you can see, I use the new layer and put the new logos on it. It's really beautiful. And while I am thinking about how to name this new leather, because it's from Italy, so the color is just really classic. So while I'm thinking about how to name it, and we just say it's classic, and why not just call it classic? And I think it's a nice idea too. So I just call this leather is classic. Yes. And also, today I will make this cover, and later you will see what will it going to be, and I will put in the Etsy. I will put it on Etsy too, and I want to make a quick sale on the Etsy just to try and test the buy and sell situation is smoothly or not. So later I will show you guys the cover, and also will put this. Hi guys, I'm back, and you can see here is the classic A5 regular covers here, and the classic leather is really beautiful and it's stunning. You can see, oh my god, it's really beautiful, and it's my first try in this leather to make the covers. Yeah, and you can see I put my new logos in here. Yeah, the right is here. It's really beautiful too. And also you see this earphone and the coasters and magnet clips here. The clip is very popular in my shop too, and it's really powerful. You can see. So why I make these 3 items here, because I want to make an event in my Etsy shop. Yes, because you guys know I have already opened the shop on the Etsy, but tell the truth, I don't have enough time to make so many products to put in my shop on the Etsy. So today is Saturday, so I especially to spend some time to make a notebook. I want to put it on the Etsy to make a super quick shipping. So if you guys see this beautiful colors and you love it, you just go to the Etsy to search the right, and you will see it is there too, and you can get it. And if you get it, you will be the first customer in my shop. Yes, and if you get this notebook in my shop, and you be the first customers in my shop, and I will tell you, you will get these 3 items with this notebook. Yes, and also I will give you 10% off forever VIP. Okay, so if you can get this notebook from my shop to be the first customers, and you will get 10% off forever VIP. Okay, so it's very exciting. Yes, so let's go check inside. Okay, the back, the closure just like this. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's really beautiful. And let's open it. You can see the inside. I make it in the just a folio pocket in the back, and a big roof pocket in the front. Yes, so here have 2 big room, you can put your books or something here and forecast that here. And the design is really amazing too. I love this design. Yeah. And as you know, there are so many design is all designed by me and my wife. And this design is by my local customer. She just joined a design to me and asked me to do this pocket, and I'm so love this design, and it's just like a loop, so I call it a loop. And also the Italy cassette leather is first time in my shop, so I just put it in my Etsy shop, and I wish it can go to exciting the customer to get these beautiful leathers. Okay, because these leathers, I remember the leather shop boss told me the leather only has big 3 pieces in his shop. So if you guys love this leather, and I will just get the other 2 pieces from his shop. Okay, so I'm so excited because this we are going to on the Etsy, and I wish some of you will take it immediately. Okay, so hope you will be the first customer in the LeCow and in the right, and even you are already the past customer. That's all okay. That's fine. Yes, and just wish you guys will get it as soon as possible. Okay, so hope to see you guys soon. Okay, bye bye.